welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a grocery haul, so let's see what we got. Let's go.
Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well, I'ma bring the band out. Just pour the bottle on the model, and she pulled her pants down. My bitch was here, she have a fit, so I'm about to head out. But let me tell you something about my bitch. She flip them bricks, don't run her mouth about shit. Yeah, gave me the lick and I took that trip. Then I came back and laid it down, she took that. But let me tell you something about my bitch. She flip them bricks, don't run her mouth about shit. Yeah, gave me the lick and I took that trip. Then I came back and laid it down, she took that.
Okay guys, so we're gonna start off over here. We did get some paper plates, of course, and we got some forks. We got to-go boxes because we like to put our salads in there when we make them. I don't know why, don't ask. Okay, we got a box of Frito-Lay chip mix, and this is from Sam's Club. And we also got the Wise grab bag cheese and all that popcorn. That's from Sam's Club as well. We got some Cokes. What my husband do, I don't drink Cokes. We got Dasani water. Okay, let's go over here. We got some bacon, Missouri hickory smoked bacon. I usually get turkey bacon, but I ain't getting it this time because I don't want any bacon. Okay, these are for my husband for work. These are also his for work. We got these from Sam's Club too. These for me and my daughter. Okay, I got the chips, the dip for the chips. I got these pineapple spears because they just look so good, and coconut water. Ooh, can't wait to try those. And we got this from Sam's Club as well. I always get that. We got 3 baked potatoes. We're gonna eat those tonight. Triple cheddar shredded cheese. I always get that kind. We got the little store box of mini Slim Jims from Sam's Club, of course. We got some milk, grape punch, Minute Maid, berry punch, fruit roll-ups, because y'all know I'll be rolling my fruit up, putting that Thai and chamoy on it. We got Reese Puff cereal. Come around here, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I did get the Lucky Charm clusters. I love those. We got these from Sam's Club, which come with Tricks and Cookie Crisps in them. Okay, let's move on. Okay, coming over here, we got some sweet and salty little snacks. My husband got those. I got these, and my daughter got these. I got this to make my compound butter with. Best butter, hands down. And I got Blue Bonnet just for regular stuff. Like, you know, you want to make some butter dip or something for like your crab, shrimp. I got this Velveeta because I'm going to be making some rotel. Rotel dip. Got this to go with that. Got some macaroni and cheese, canola oil. We got us some mustard. We also got some ketchup, ranch dressing, because I just cleaned out my refrigerator and we're about to stock it back up. We got some barbecue sauce. We also got Olive Garden Italian. I love this. I swear by it. Ooh. But you only need a little bit because it's a little salty. Got this Taco Bell sauce. Always get that. Sugar. Everybody needs sugar. I always get broths. Chicken broth, beef broth, because you never know what you need with some broth. We got some pickles for sandwiches and hamburgers and stuff. We also got marinara, 3 cheese. This is spaghetti sauce. My husband got his classic chicken noodle soup. He loves chicken noodle soup for work. He also got the regular chicken noodle. Tomato sauce, I like making soups. Veg off my soups too. Got some canola oil. Okay, y'all. These are all my cans. Like, we just got different stuff. Black beans, cream of chicken, because I'm making casseroles, barbecue baked beans. And down here, it's just corn, green beans, and stuff. So, you know, just a little selection of that. Okay, I got eggs, chili, because I want to make some chili. Basil, parsley. We got 2 taco seasoning kits, little packs. Watermelon, y'all already know what's going on with that watermelon. 2 Taco Bell kits. We got some Spanish rice in the bins. We also got chicken and broccoli, cheddar, Mexican, chicken and broccoli, cheddar broccoli. Mashed potatoes, of course. We got these for the rotel. Of course, we got couple noodles, chicken and beef, and then we have to have the spicy ones. You got to have the hot spicy beef and hot spicy chicken as well. I always break the box, don't I? Okay, we got garlic for our produce. We got onion. We have cucumbers because we make cucumbers salad. A mango, of course. You already know what I'm going to do with that mango. And green onions. I love me some green onions. Okay, tonight we're eating grilled chicken salad. So we did, well, this is Zoe's for school tomorrow, but we did get this kit. Shredded lettuce, bacon bits, croutons, and these are the chicken breasts from what we're gonna make the salad with. Okay, y'all. So that was a rundown of what we got from the grocery store. So again, I want to thank y'all for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that bell and subscribe to our channel. We will have so much more stuff coming up. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.